How you doing, guys? Just picked up a new Leupold scope, so I'm gonna do a short little unboxing video. All right, well, so this is you probably can't see it, the Mark V HD 5-25 with the front focal TMR. What front focal means is that I can still use my tactical mill reticle no matter what magnification I have it on. That'll still be accurate. It changes with the magnification. Specifically looking for that feature so that I can use it for range finding if I need to. Ooh. Looks like we got a shroud, sun shroud. Cover. Whoop. Spring-loaded cover. God damn it. Well, that's just going to live on the floor for a while. Another cover. Also spring-loaded. I'm going to hold on to this one a little better than the last one. And now the good part. Second. Grab the other stuff out of it and get this box out of the way. Okay, so before we get into the scope, we've got an Allen wrench. I bet you it's for that. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like it's a very short, fat screw. Nice Leupold decal and an owner's manual. Not going to get into that right now. So, here it is. It's nice, big, and fat. So here we've got our magnification adjustment. It's just a throw lever. Allows you to switch from 25 all the way back down to 5. That was nice and smooth, a little stiff, but you want it to be stiff. You don't want it to just freely move on its own because you're walking and jostling things around. So here we have our elevation and windage knobs. So windage has a cover on it. You'll take that off, and then you can make your adjustments. So you got your line right here with your 0, and you can just keep changing. And again, you've got your adjustment, so when you have found your 0 at whatever range you're going to shoot at, you can loosen that up. And then let's say you're all the way over here. That's your 0. So you loosen up all the screws. Then you move the cover back to 0. And then tighten them back down. Now you know that's my 0. And then same thing. This has a little feature that it won't let you rotate it. So right now it won't rotate unless you're pushing this in. Just again to make sure that you're not just going to accidentally move. So push it in and now you can rotate it. Locks back at your 0. So same thing. You can undo these screws after you've found your 0 and move the cover back. Right here is your parallax adjustment. So it can go pretty much through the whole range. If you don't know what range you're at, you can actually use your parallax adjustment to figure out where you're at. Just focus it until what you're looking at comes into focus. At that point, let's say it was boom around there. Oh, it's in focus. Now I look at this like, okay, we're around 700. Between 600 and 800. Okay, well now you know. But, so this is a 35 millimeter tube, a 56 millimeter front focal, and I honestly don't remember what the back focal is. So, but this is going to be going on my 300 Win Mag so I can start working on long range. But, alright. So this is from Leupold. If you are military or law enforcement related, make sure you talk to them about a nice discount and they can hook you up with something pretty good. Alright. Thanks guys. Have a good one.